in my ears. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying that I was hurt. And it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you will stay. Then you're gone and oh so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I have learned to live my life without you. Maybe it's just dream of you tonight. And into my dreams you'll come and touch me once again.